Hey, another day, another review. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy to see you again today. So what we have for now? For now we have very short, just unpacking an initial review of this legendary drop mechanical keyboard. So this is drop alt mechanical keyboard, 65%, 67 keys, gaming keyboard, hot swappable, like programmatic, RGB, everything, aluminum case. Oh, you know what I can say. It's really legendary keyboard. Let's just open the box, see what is inside, a little typing exercise without connecting to the Mac, and then later I will do full review with connection to MacBook, to iPad, with typing exercise, with key, hot swap, normal swap, all these options. But today, just easy, unpack and review. As always, before we will jump into the box, please do not forget, if you will like this video, if this video will be useful for you, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have already 500 views on all my videos and only a couple of likes and only a couple of guys subscribe to my channel. So please, if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you inside the box. So this is drop mechanical keyboard, 65%, 67 keys, hot swappable switches, programmable macros, RGB LED backlight, USB-C double shot PBT, whatever it means, I'll figure it later. One keycap already hot swap during transportation. So this is a card with, you know, short description of what does it mean hotkey. So we don't need to deep dive into the detailed manual. We can just quickly check this short instructions on this card. Super heavy. You can feel that this keyboard is made from metal, if I understand correctly, from aluminum. Okay, what we have on the other side: drop COM, drop alt. You can see serial number of the keyboard and all the stuff. So let's check what I have ordered from the switches point of view. Blue one. I never tried blue one before, so happy to check it with you. Previously I tested red one and brown one. Also interesting what the brand of switches inside. I don't think I will be able to find it on a case. I will check it later and will let you know. By the way, I've done quite detailed blog review of Drop brand as a manufacturer of the mechanical keyboards, positioned on the market, their top current keyboards on the market. So if you want to have more details, check in the description below a link to my blog and you can read more details about the Drop as a brand for mechanical keyboards. Okay, let's move on. Anything else inside the box? Yes, yep. Pretty nice tool for switching keys. Okay, let's try to use it. So I think I need to open it. All right, let's switch this keycaps for key. Very easy. So, and you can see this blue switch. Let me put it back. Okay, it's very clicky keyboard. Okay, what else do we have? We have a cable to charge this keyboard. We have, oh, you know what? I'm sorry for misleading. So we can elevate this keyboard and we have this super nice magnet stuff Let me show you closer. It's a very pleasant to do so. Up, up, and that's all. Let me find the second one. Here we go. And now your keyboard is elevated. Okay, let me zoom in and we can very quickly just change couple of keys and change couple of switchers, and that's all for today. So this tool is not only to like pick up keys, it's also screwdriver for the bottom part of this keyboard. Screws. And this one is for what? Okay, you can just let me change. And this keyboard is what? It's only for Windows, right? So it's not universal one. It's a Windows version. Am I right? So I cannot use this for Mac OS. This keyboard should work out of the box with Mac OS, Windows, and Linux operation systems. So it should work. It should work with iOS, but you don't have this key caps, so you need to order separately key caps to be able to work with iOS, which is a little bit sad because my main workstation is iOS. Also, you have this two USB-C. I don't know yet for what, and because you have only one cable. And also, it seems that this is not a wireless keyboard, right? Because I cannot see any switch on or switch off buttons on it, and I can't see any chargeable as well. So interesting. But it's for your information. If you will order this, make an order for this keyboard, make sure you understand that it's only for Windows from keycaps point of view, and you need something else, some additional keycaps if you want to work with macOS MacBook, for example. Yeah, this is not easy. You need to know how to do it. Yeah, it's like the whole point is to get this small connection parts, and then everything will be okay. Okay. Also, you may see that it's 65% layout, so it means that you don't have this additional layer of F1, F2, and F3 buttons. Very clicky. Okay, that's all for today. This is the first part of this video review. I will continue later this week and I will show you how to connect this keyboard to Windows laptop. And yeah, we'll do some typing test, and check what the other keyboard available from the drop, and what we can order next time to work with my MacBook from the box.